Hey guys, William from Blackpool Honda here, and here we have our 1.5 hybrid Jazzy X Crosstar. Of course, this vehicle is a pre-registration vehicle, so it will come with the 21 on the reg plate. We do also have your 16-inch diamond cut alloys. Of course, we do have the matte black infills on these. With this being the pre-reg vehicle, they will all be in perfect condition, but just in case, I will of course go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the condition in case I've missed something. Moving around, you can see the Crosstar logo on the left hand side, and of course with this being the hybrid, you do have the EHEV on the right hand side. We have parking sensors on the rear as well with reversing cam. In the boot we do have plenty of room in here. Obviously the wheel locking nuts are just in there. Moving around again, showing you the rear alloy just here, and of course in the back we do have the cloth seats, grey, white, with the black on the side just there with Isofix mounting points. Of course we do also have your electric rear windows. Moving into the front of the vehicle now, we do also have keyless entry just there. All 4 controls for the windows: window lock, central locking, electric adjustment and power fold. Of course inside the vehicle we do have your econ, power fold and brake hold, your automatic gearbox. Of course this is only 1 gear due to being a hybrid, it doesn't need the additional gears. B mode is specifically hybrid mode. This controls, of course, your regen braking, and it focuses solely on that purpose. Of course, we've got front heated seats with dual climate control. Sorry, with climate control, not dual. And of course, we do have DAB, Bluetooth audio, FM, Bluetooth hands-free, satellite navigation. And of course, all this is controlled via these buttons just here. This button controls your onboard computer just there, as you can see. And just to show that this car is a pre-registration vehicle, you can see it has done 18 miles just there. The right hand side controls your speed limiter and cruise control. And of course we have automatic headlights with windscreen wipers. And your SOS button just up top there. Moving back outside, showing the last remaining alloy now. Of course, this car is finished in our most popular colour, which is premium crystal red. And of course, it is a 3-layer crystal paint. It is also a very expensive extra for this vehicle. But if you do require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership. One of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video of this vehicle. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.